Hello everybody, and welcome to this brief tutorial on how to set up the EARS app for the ABCD study. These first few screens are some general information about the EARS app that you can read at your own pace. The first step in setting up EARS is to enter your unique 16-digit study code. This unique code will customize the EARS app setup to enable your study-specific sensor configuration. You can either choose to scan a QR code or enter your study code manually. Once your code has been validated, you will be prompted with an informed consent document. Make sure to read through the whole document thoroughly before proceeding. If you are uncomfortable agreeing to any of these terms, disagree and then uninstall the EARS app. Next, we will begin to enable some of the required permissions for EARS. You'll need to ensure battery optimization is turned off on your device so EARS can work in the background. Make sure to tap Allow. We will now begin the process to enable the EARS keyboard. For the ABCD study, the EARS keyboard will only be collecting the frequency of typed text and which app the keyboard is typing into. Unlike other studies that utilize the EARS keyboard, the content of keystrokes will not be recorded for the ABCD study. To enable keyboard access for EARS, you'll need to go into the System settings. Make sure to tap EARS and then Use Service. When prompted to allow EARS to have full control of your device, tap Allow. After being redirected back to EARS, for the last step you'll need to give EARS permission to access your app usage information. The process to do this may seem familiar. Tap EARS, and then choose to permit usage access. Congratulations, we've finally finished setup. You will now be redirected to the home screen. For EARS to do its job, all you need to do is leave the app in the background. Once daily, you'll receive a notification to open the EARS app so it may upload your contributed data. Make sure not to swipe EARS out of memory, otherwise passive data will not be collected and uploads will not occur. This completes our tutorial for installing EARS for the ABCD study. Thanks for watching and have a great day.